Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard to Set Info, and today let's discuss how to get faster shipping on AliExpress. So before placing an order, you should always check if the item supports fast shipping. So let me show you how it should look like. Let's open some item, for example this watch. If I scroll down a little bit, I should see here section fast delivery, but as you can see it is not here, so let's go for another item. Yes, here it is, fast delivery. It should look like this, and that means that this item will come to me way earlier than the item that I previously shown to you. Also, it's a very good idea to find some items that are being shipped basically from local warehouses. So now let me show you how to do it. I go to searching bar at the top and let's search for smartwatch, for example, and I need to apply some filters. So I tap this filter icon. I need to look for option shipping from, and here I can select the country that is located the nearest to my country that I'm located in. So for example, if I'm located in Eastern Europe, I should definitely go for Poland or Czech Republic. Yeah, because that's from these countries my item will arrive obviously way earlier than, for example, from China. So that's the one thing, and the last thing is that you should go to checkout of the product. So let me go for this one, for example. If I scroll down to section shipping, if you see arrow next to it, perfect, you should tap it and see if a seller provides any other shipping methods. Unfortunately, as you can see, I have only one shipping method, but sometimes sellers have another options such as standard shipping or premium shipping. Of course, you need to pay some extra money for them, but believe me, it's worth it because you will receive your package way earlier. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.